Hello, little explorer. Take a deep breath and let it out like a wave. Today, the world was loud and busy, but here, at the edge of the magical sea, everything is waiting for you. Look at the water. It is warm, glowing blue. It is the water of sleep. Cheda is here with you. He has a special magic bubble, a bubble that can take us down into the quiet. Step inside the bubble with Cheda. It is dry and cozy inside. Let's go down. Gently we sink under the water. Bloop. Everything goes quiet. The noise of the day stays up there. Down here, it is just peace. Look around. The water is a beautiful, deep blue. You are floating, weightless, like a feather in the water. Your arms feel light. Your legs feel light. Floating down, slowly. Look, a school of sleeping fish. They don't move fast. They just drift. Drift with them. Left and right. Left and right. We are going deeper now, into the secret garden of the sea. It is darker here, but look, glowing jellyfish are dancing for you. Pink, purple, green. They pulse slowly. Open and close. Open and close. Just like your sleepy eyes, heavy eyes. Everything here moves in slow motion. There is no rush. There is only calm. The bubble protects you. The ocean hugs you. We have reached the bottom. The sand is soft white sugar. And look, a giant cozy shell is open just for you. Inside, it is soft like a cloud. The bubble lands gently in the shell. You curl up with Cheda. It is so safe here, deep under the waves. Nothing can disturb you. The shell closes slightly to tuck you in. Good night, ocean. Good night, glowing fish. Good night, little explorer. Sleep